Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices and accounts. This speeds the setup. Sign into your parent Google account, then open the Family Link app. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on. On the child device, create or sign into the child Google account when prompted, and select Set up as a child so controls apply correctly. Once done, follow the on-screen pairing code. Keep devices near each other. This first action establishes the trusted connection that enables parental controls and monitoring. Once devices are paired, you configure controls step by step because precise permissions determine what you can manage. Open Family Link on the parent device, select your child, and grant location access, device admin, and app management when prompted. This is why the app needs those permissions. Then set daily screen time, weekly schedules, bedtimes, and content filters to match your rules. Make sure to review app permission requests. Approve or block apps directly from your device, so controls take effect immediately. To finish, test the setup so you know it works. Request an app, trigger a blocked action, or view activity reports from the parent app. If everything looks right, teach your child the boundaries and how to request approvals. Make sure Family Link stays updated and sync settings periodically. Restart devices after major changes. If pairing or controls fail, check that the child account is a supervised account. Both devices run supported Android or Chrome OS versions, and that app versions and connectivity are current. This usually fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.